A woman who walks in purpose doesn't have to chase people or opportunities. Her light causes people and opportunities to pursue her. Dr. Nowhira Shekh is one of the celebrated women entrepreneurs, an epitome of women with integrity and purpose, who has earned massive respect and made a mark in the UAE through her innovative principle-based business practices and associated philanthropic initiatives. She is a dedicated human rights activist, philanthropist, and Islamic scholar who spends most of her time, money and energy for charity and the upliftment of women. She is the strength behind the multinational conglomerate, the Nowhira Group, who through her determination and dedication to the idea she believes in, has successfully marked her name in the field of education, business and social service in national and international scenes. Born in the year 1973 to Sheikh Mohiuddin Sahib Kolkar and Sheikh Balkij, Dr. Shekh has always been extremely concerned about the plight of the downtrodden, most importantly, the women of her community. She started her venture in the field of education at the tender age of 19 by giving lessons and scriptures, flourishing it into a service-oriented educational institution. While most of the entrepreneurs start their business activities to gain profits and then slowly support the needy of their society, Dr. Nowhira Shekh established her business in 1998 at Tirupati town with a sole aim to support her charitable activities. Within a very short span of time, the firm, which started with gold exports and imports business under the name Nowhira Gold Exports and Imports, expanded to become Nowhira Group of Companies, a consortium of 20 companies with operations in 5 countries and business presence in over 50. Today, the company has diversified its business activities to jewelry, textiles, mineral water, granite, travel and tourism, and e-commerce. Nowhira Group is determined to create an interest-free world through value-based Islamic businesses and trading activities, and transpire Dr. Shekh's vision to provide strong platform for the upliftment of all Muslim women and act as the voice of their concerns. Along with profit-oriented businesses, Nowhira Group has its aegis educational institutions for the needy and a mobile clinic that provides quality free medical services to the poor villages living across Andhra Pradesh. Dr. Shekh believes in meeting the needs of the people from the revenue generated through her firm and serve the nation. Her saluting the nation's guardian was one such endeavor, which brought her much attention and praise. The project took care of 20 families of Jawans martyred in the URI attack and funded the education of their kids, realizing the fewer number of opportunities provided to women in her community. Dr. Shekh also established Nowhira Islamic Business Group for teaching professional skills to women in various crafts and trades so that they can stand with their heads held high in our patriarchal society. One of her biggest initiatives is Nowhira Medical City, a full-fledged hospital with state-of-the-art medical college which aspires to encourage women towards the medical profession. Dr. Shekh's business proficiency and devotion in serving her people has won her national and international awards and recognition, including Pravasi Ratna Award, Business Leadership Icon Award, Women Entrepreneur of the Year, Mumbai Ratan Award, International Achievers Award for Social Service, Asia Pacific Gold Star Award, 7th Farooq Ahmad Memorial Education Award, Bharat Gaurav Award, Rajiv Gandhi Shiromani Award, Indira Gandhi Priyadarshini Award, the Good Business Award from Emirates Gold, and many more. Dr. Shekh also serves as the lifetime president of the Women's Wing of the International Human Rights Association, India. Dr. Nowhira Shekh was the title sponsor of the very exciting Nowhira T10 Cricket League 2017. Her concern towards the issues of women has prompted her to emerge as a leader, even in politics. She is the national president of the All India Mahila Empowerment Party. Along the way, she has realized that ultimate change can only be made through organizing movements and demanding from the authorities to ensure women's right and social justice. She will work as a politician always under the banner, Justice for Humanity. The success story of Nowhira Group is a living testimony to Nowhira Shekh's determination to adhere to her ethics and values in business. With a strong and committed personality, she's always striving for opportunities to address humanitarian needs without compromising on her beliefs and principles. She is a one-of-a-kind woman entrepreneur who has pioneered the route of conducting business in an Islamic way and continues to establish firms that can be made an instrument for carrying out social activities, supporting charity work. Dr. Nowhira Shekh has a laudable spirit with immense dedication and courage, which has led her to reach where she is today. She is a true idol for women around the world that have an insatiable desire to chase their dreams.